Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working on a Ford Edge guys. So if you have a Ford Edge guys and you have any of the following three codes guys, you can see them in the corner of the video. I'm talking about code P0122, code P0223 or code P2110. Stay with us guys and we'll explain if you have any of those three codes, what you need to fix and what you need to replace. Quick introduction guys, every single car we get at the shop, including this generation Ford Edge, we'll be making at least 200 videos. Why? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys. Now that should cover guys the whole fourth generation Ford Edge from year 2007 to year 2014. May help on later generation as well guys. If you need to buy any replacement parts too, check out the links in the description of the video below guys. All that is there for your convenience. So now let me show you guys, we're going to go ahead, scan the system. Some guys, some things that you may experience when you have that code will be loss of power, not having enough power, the car will not be able to go very fast. That's another thing guys. Actually you may not even be able to move at all because the car may not be responsive. Okay, it will start but it will not have much power at all. And other times you may get a code and you may not experience almost any symptoms guys. It's super hard to diagnose sometimes, but if you have any of those three codes, we'll explain what could be causing that. So what we'll be doing here now guys, first I'm going to go ahead and connect our OBD scanner to the port right there. Okay, perfect. Let me scoot the seat seat back so we have more room. Now we're going to click guys here to load, while we're testing that. I want to start the car quick guys. I want to start it and I want to show you how it will be unresponsive. Check it out now. Car starting, I'll give it gas. Nothing guys, engine light on as well. So what we'll be doing now, turn it off. Turn the ignition back on. Now scanner is still it's still working here. I think it actually stopped it. It was going to be a little bit faster, but I turned the ignition switch off. Now while it is loading guys, if you want to buy that scanner, if you want to check it out, we have the link in the description of the video below. This is amazing too guys. So we just click yes. Next we're going to click read codes right there. Click read codes. Now I always check stored and pending, both of them, and the codes that we have now: P0122 throttle pedal position sensor switch A, throttle pedal position sensor switch B, and throttle actuator control system guys, Ford limited RPM. You can see. Now I'll go back and check the pending codes to make sure we have the same codes and we don't have anything extra. Same thing guys. So what we'll be doing now, we'll go ahead guys, we're going to go ahead, turn the, you can see the engine light stays on guys. So what we'll do, we'll turn the ignition switch off, exit, open the hood and show you guys what you need to fix now. So we are exiting now guys. Let me show you what we have here. Now this is guys the engine right here, whether you have the 3.5, 3.7, the procedure is about the same guys. Very good engine, very reliable engine, but once in a while things do happen guys. So if you check your air filter box, follow your intake hose, and right here this is your throttle body guys. This is your throttle body, right there. So that's how we get to it. Now that throttle body is where the problem is guys. Either it's loose connector right here, or the throttle body needs to be replaced or cleaned. We have a video on the channel that explains how to clean throttle body, but in our case guys, we tried to clean it, it didn't work out, so we have to replace it. If you want to check out the video guys, it's on the channel. Just search for throttle body replacement on Ford Edge and I guarantee that you will find the video and you will see everything from start to finish, because it's not too easy, but it's not too complicated as well. So the purpose of today's video is to see if a new throttle body will fix that problem. We'll go ahead, replace it, and we'll continue. So we replace guys the throttle body. I'm going inside now. And let me show you now. Right here we're inside. I'm going to go ahead, turn the ignition back on. Turn the ignition back on, and we're going to guys clear the codes now. So what we need to do, we go back, click back, and we're going to guys click erase codes now. First erase the codes, because if you guys do not erase the codes, what could happen guys, even you install the new throttle body, the car may still not run correctly. Here is done, perfect. Now what we're going to do, we'll turn the key off and let's start it and see if it's responsive now. So that definitely, guys, fixes our problem. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.